Wait, now. Me and my friend Devin are gonna make a shuffling video. Yeah! My name's Devin and we will be making a shuffling video. My friend Elizabeth will go first. Okay, here she goes. Now I will go.
His name's Ugly Betty. Oh my God, you don't need to use that one. Oh my God, you taking the video?
Yeah, we're putting it in. Now it's our friend Nathan.
We gave one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, stop it!